Hi, I'm Bean, and right now my hair is getting a little long. It's looking a little shaggy. For some reason, I always like to say that I look like a dog whenever my hair grows out like this, like long, floppy ears. But anyway, I'm all straightened up and flat because Chris is about to cut my hair with clippers to do a very blunt cut because I really like blunt cuts and I just need it to be shorter. So I just wanted you guys to go through this with me and we'll see how this turns out. Look at mine, it's so flat. Oh, my head looks huge. And this Death Note shirt, this is my hair shirt. I always wear this to cut my hair and to color it. Let's do this.
Okay. Can you tell me the length on this side?
Yeah, just like 1.5 inches almost.
Okay.
Higher than that, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll do it here.
Okay.
So like right here. Look at that.
Clean. Clean.
Why?
Feels like you're getting shorter.
Why bud? Well, like it says.
Okay, so this is the final result of Chris cutting my hair with clippers. I really like it. He has actually cut my hair with clippers before. However, definitely not this short. I haven't actually had my hair this short in a while, I think. I'll do a little turn around. And yeah, I really like it. It's like kind of wavy now. My natural hair has taken its course, so you can't really, I mean, you can definitely still tell that it's very blunt, but not as bad as whenever it was just like flat straight to the side of my head, like when he was cutting it. But yeah, I also used a new Kinra Color permanent, a new Kinra Colors color, a rose gold metallic. It was an 8 rose metallic, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. I'm about to also upload a video talking about my thoughts on that, so make sure you check it out if you feel like it. Do you have anything to say? He's just like, do you like it? Well, yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If your boyfriend has ever cut your hair, if you think we're absolutely crazy and we need to stop making videos about hair since we don't know what we're doing, whatever. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.